Hey you guys, if you guys want a good fall recipe for this year, continue to watch my video. I'm making homemade chicken pot pie for the fam. So you guys, I got this recipe off of a TikTok. This is something that the family wanted to eat for dinner. So of course I went to Aldi's, got most of my ingredients. If the ingredients I already did not have, you can tell some of them are great value. Some of them I got from the Dollar Tree. But I just came back from the store, so I'm just gonna prepare this meal. And of course, you see everything that I have that is here. The only thing that's not visible right now with my ingredients is potatoes. Potatoes is one of the key players with the chicken, I feel like, in the vegetables. So I will be adding that. But right now, I just got done rinsing my chicken, and I'm trying to get it patted dry, so when I add my seasonings, it stick and it give you that flavor that you need. And I'm just gonna season one side, and then I'm just gonna stack them on top of each other and try to rub some of that extra seasoning off. That way it's not too much seasoning, and it's not too salty, then my blood pressure is extremely high. That's not what we're gonna do, but you'll see as I do it later in the video. And I'm also going to include the link to the TikTok video that I seen. And if you guys want to make this, and of course I didn't make it how it was showed, but it still turned out pretty well. You guys see at the end how I didn't prepare it properly, but like I said, it still tasted wonderful. If you ever had KFC chicken pot pie, that's sort of what it kind of gave me. I was close. I probably wasn't right on the money, but I was really close. And I kind of missed another step also. I had the croissant rolls that I was using. It's like the base layer and the top layer, and of course the ones for the base layer, when I went in the refrigerator and got it, I think it was like old, so it was busted. So when I was at the store shopping, I said I'm just gonna get one, so I got another one in there, and then by the time I got home, of course it was busted. So hey, just used it for the top layer. But like I said, it still was good. So I'm gonna quit talking. I'm gonna let you guys finish the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe.